In this tutorial, we will model CAE1000 as a SOLIDWORKS assembly. This tutorial will cover applying standard mates to planes and faces as well as using toolbox components in design. To model the assembly, you will need the CAE1000 part files. When downloading the parts, it is crucial to remember to extract all the files before trying to use them. This is because the files are given in a compressed zip folder format. Open SOLIDWORKS, download and extract the part files, and start a new assembly file. Check your units to make sure they are in inches. As soon as you open the assembly, the Insert Components command should activate with a file folder. Navigate to the downloaded parts files via the file folder. Select CAE1001 from the list. Click Open in the dialog box. Make origins visible from the heads-up view toolbar through the eye drop-down, and then select the origin of the assembly, making sure that the double origin icon appears. Activate the Insert Components command from the Assembly tab of the Command Manager. Click Browse and select CAE1002 to insert next. Insert this part anywhere in the graphics area that is not the origin. Note that you may not have to click Browse. The dialog box may open up automatically. Rotate the part into the approximate assembly orientation by holding down the right mouse button and moving the mouse. Activate the Mates command from the Assembly tab of the Command Manager. Click the bottom face of CAE1002 and the top internal pocket face of CAE1001. Coincident mate should be automatic. Confirm the mate. Then, while still in the Mates Property Manager, open the Feature Manager Design Tree flyout. Select the Assembly front plane and CAE1002 front plane, and the automatic mate should be coincident. Repeat this for the Assembly right plane and CAE1002 top plane. The orientation of your assembly should be as shown in the drawings. Activate the Insert Components command again from the Assembly tab of the Command Manager and insert CAE1003 anywhere in the graphics area. Add mates using the Mates command. A coincident mate between the cut face of CAE1003 and the back face of CAE1002, and a concentric mate between the top hole of both parts. Insert CAE1004, CAE1005, CAE1006, and CAE1007 into the graphics area using the Insert Components command. Also, rotate them into approximate orientations with the right mouse click option. Apply mates to these parts. A concentric mate between CAE1002 and CAE1004. A concentric mate between CAE1004 and CAE1005 using the lock rotation option. Concentric mates between CAE1005 and CAE1006. Concentric mates between CAE1003 and CAE1006 using the lock rotations option. Concentric mates between CAE1005 and CAE1007 using the lock rotations option. A coincident mate between CAE1004 and CAE1005. Another coincident mate between CAE1005 and CAE1007. And finally, a distance mate between CAE1002 and CAE1004 at 0.030 inches. You can turn off the origins via the heads-up view toolbar because at this point they are becoming distracting. The final design component to insert is CAE1009 using the Insert Components command. Rotate the component into the approximate orientation. Add the following mates to CAE1009. Coincident mate between the top plane of CAE1009 and the top pocket face of CAE1001. A coincident mate between the front plane of CAE1009 and the front plane of the assembly. And a coincident mate between the right plane of CAE1009 and the right plane of the assembly.